Guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to be talking about hair care. It's rainy season, and although I love rainy season, I enjoy a lot of things. I enjoy my tea and I enjoy my quick hot snacks, but at the same time my hair doesn't love the rainy season. My hair get very sticky and I get a lot of hair fall. So today I am going to share with you guys the products I use to control my hair fall and some tips that can help you throughout this rainy season, taking care of your hair, maintaining your most of the time during this rainy season, due to the high humidity, our hair tends to get extra frizzy. So today's video is all about that, hair care tips for rainy season. So let's get started. However, before getting started guys, if you guys are not following a good, proper, healthy, balanced diet, this video is not going to help you. Okay, the first and foremost thing you have to do is follow a proper healthy diet that would have a decent amount of protein, healthy fats and carbohydrate. Avoid oily junk food and sugar. If you are not doing that much, then this video is not going to help. For healthy hair, healthy skin and healthy body, it is very important to maintain a good, proper, healthy diet, balanced diet. So yeah, that being said, let's get started. First up, we'll start with a serum that is very important for our scalp health. This is MamaEarth Rosemary Hair Growth Scalp Serum with rosemary and argan. This has 95% pure rosemary that promotes hair growth. This has a nozzle applicator that is very easy to use, goes directly to your scalp, so it is very effective, efficient, and the formula of this serum is very lightweight, so you can use it at daytime as well. It will not make your hair feel sticky or heavy, very easy to use. This is completely fragrance free and it is for all hair type. This actually controls hair fall and grows new hair within just 14 weeks. I have been using it for quite a while now and I absolutely love this one. Rosemary is actually a very effective ingredient when it comes to reducing hair fall and promoting hair growth. It does not make my hair feel chip during this rainy season. That is the last thing we need for our hair. You can see my hair looks so soft and smooth, and also it has been very healthy, feeling very healthy. This formula has 4% argan and methi dana that stimulates blood circulation and grows new hair within just 14 weeks. Next, moving up to our shampoo and conditioner, it is very important step, to choose the right shampoo and conditioner. Your shampoo should be sulfate free and your conditioner should be hydrating enough. So choosing the right shampoo and conditioner is very important. MamaEarth's Rosemary Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo with rosemary and methi dana is absolutely the amazing one. The formula is really nice, makes my hair feel so soft and smooth and reduces the hair fall within just 12 weeks, guys. It is amazing. Next up, we have MamaEarth Rosemary Anti-Hair Fall Conditioner that has rosemary and methi dana that makes our hair stronger, 94% stronger hair. It reduces hair loss and breakages. It is dermatologically tested and this is meant for all hair type, and all this combo is amazing to have in your hair care routine. MamaEarth's products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purple and their official website and app. At the same time, they are also available offline at your nearest store, so definitely grab yours, guys. While you are shopping from MamaEarth's website or app, you can use my code LIZ2024 to get 20% discount on your purchase. MamaEarth listens to you, so use their products and share your feedback, guys. They improved their onion shampoo based on your input only. Plus, they are always upgrading their products through research and innovations for better quality. video and the tips that I shared here today will be helpful for you guys. Definitely let me know in the comment section your hair care tips, you know, if anything extra you do, definitely it will be good to know. So yeah, that's all for today. I will catch you all next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.